Quality first, always. Keep moving on the road of improving human costume culture. Zoje sewing machine represents the dignity and pride of China intelligent manufacture. Now, Zoje, with more than 2,000 employees, has become manufacturer base of the most advanced and intelligent industrial sewing machine. Zoje becomes the leader of China industrial sewing machine with excellent quality to create world-famous brand. It decorates the world with the wisdom of Chinese people. Zoje people pursue diligently for quality manufacture. We create high-quality and forward-looking products that the markets want, and quality control runs through the whole process of design and manufacture. All components and products in the production process must have to be detected strictly. Relying on quality control management system in the whole process, we guarantee no any inconvenience of customers will be caused by our manner oversight. This is not only Zoje's request for quality, but also our promise for customers. Zoje sewing machine was identified as China's famous brand twice in 2003 and 2006. In 2007, Zoje was awarded honor of National Inspection Free Products. In 2009, it was titled as China's famous trademark and also listed as recommended products by EU. To enter international high-end sewing market, Zoje invests a large amount of money to employ famous experts from Germany and Japan, cooperates with well-known research institutes of domestic sewing industry. It has provincial-level technology research and development center, provincial-level enterprise institute, provincial-level high-tech research and development center, provincial-level engineering center, and postdoctoral working station. Additionally, Zoje sets up research and development institution in Europe and strengthens technical innovation to build the most advanced automated assembly line of casting, painting, case processing, assembly in the world, and is devoted to make China intelligent manufacture known by people all over the world. Moreover, Zoje develops green power driving technology and intelligent sewing technology to make industrial sewing machine product that is environmental protection, energy saving, low carbon, intelligent and efficient, and therefore strengthen the competitiveness of product in the industry. Zoje sewing machine depends the reform of Industry 4.0 era continuously, focusing on domestic development track that powers attach great importance to machine. Now the manufacture level is quite detailed and precise. From the application of the single CNC machine gradually developed to digital machine center, flexible manufacturing cell, and flexible production line, which continuously improve the strain capacity in production. As a result, the whole production process including decision marketing of the products, product design, production, and sales can be automatic, building a solid foundation for intelligent manufacture as well as setting the industry benchmark. At present, the enterprise has the most complete products chain and 16 series, more than 260 industry sewing machine models. Regarding intelligence as the main direction of development, main products include Intelligent Template Series, Computerized Lock Stitch Series, Overlock Series, Interlock Series, Zigzag Series, Special Function Series, and so on, and has been exported to over 100 countries and regions like Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Zhongjie sewing machine, with the unique intelligence of Chinese people, has been the interpretation of the industry intelligence transformation.